Hi there. So this now is part 4 in the Principles of Influence from Robert Cialdini's book. The fourth principle is the principle of commitment and consistency. This is a desire that we have to be consistent with previous decisions that we have made. And we try as best we can to be to not be seen as somebody who will move from one position to the other, and therefore compliance practitioners can often take advantage of this. And an example of this kind of approach would be your local charity, for example. One of the things they'll do is they will ask you to make a small contribution first. And once you associate yourself as a supporter of that charity, even though you've given something small, a few months later or the next time they make a request to you, they know they're going to be more likely for you to say yes to them because you already were in the past consistent in the past had provided them support. So to be consistent with your previous decision, you will want to demonstrate to them compliance in this way. So for us in our work, the way we could take advantage of this is to, when you are making a request to somebody, rather than ask for a lot, what you could do is make a smaller request first. Get the person to say yes to something small. Once they see themselves as a person who does that, when you start to make the bigger requests later on, they will be more likely to say yes. Again, the principle of commitment first to the small request, and then they would want to look consistent later, so they'll be subconsciously moved towards saying yes to the previous request, to the previous commitment that they had made. And a lot of this works subconsciously, so people don't rationalize this sort of behavior when they are consistent. They automatically do it because subconsciously they know that they have said yes to a similar thing in the past, and now they want to make sure that they are seen as consistent people. So this is a powerful way to get people to say yes to you. You could use it. And once again, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.